So we're here, Arches National Park, right outside of Moab in Utah. What a beautiful place. We just started. It's about a 7-mile hike, but you'll see a lot of different arches. Just recently before this, we saw Partition Arch, and now we are at Navajo Arch. Hopefully the lighting is good, the sound is good, and you can see the Navajo Arch. The beginning of many arches. Right, babe?
Yep.
Yeah, it's projected to be 97 degrees today, so we decided to get up at 5 and leave the RV at 6, and we were here I think we actually started the hike at 6:45, but it feels great right now. I think it's like 56 degrees here, and had to take our jackets off because we were starting to sweat, but it's perfect weather right now. I'm sure it's not going to be like that later on. So we'll see what God has in store.
Very uncrowded.
Very uncrowded. Another good reason to come out early to Arches. Parking was totally empty, so that was kind of cool. Alrighty. Okay, I know it might be a little shaky, but I thought I'd give you a little glimpse of the trail here. I'm trying to find 00 arches. And all we see is just little trail markers pointing this direction, so I'm hoping we're going this direction, but it is pretty awesome up here. Might be a little dark because the sun is right on our face, but let's see what we can do.
The thing about Arches is it's open 24 hours, so you can come in the park anytime you want to, which is pretty neat if you want to come stargazing or
That's true.
just get a super early start.
MESA Arch, and we got here a little later than I wanted to. Was hoping to get here at sunrise, but we've been dragging in the last couple of days. Haven't got much sleep. We've been getting up really, really early to go to Arches and do some of the hikes there early in the morning because, I mean, if you're going to be here during May and June, you got to really hike early in the morning. It's just been wicked, wicked hot. I mean, the other day we got out going to sunset and the thermostat in the car said 101 degrees, but yet in the morning it was like 50. So we tried to get up early in the morning, and we were up early enough to come and see this beautiful thing.
Yeah, it's well worth getting out of bed to view all this and not be melting.
So we're here at Dead Horse Point.
Dead Horse State Park. Whatever.
Dead Horse Point.
Okay.
Okay. So what's the...
Okay, so here's the
legend?
story, and Diane, if you're watching right now, just turn this off because this will just probably put you into a deep depression. But years ago, the cowboys herded a whole bunch of horses into this narrow overlook, and then blocked it off with bushes and logs, and they took the horses they wanted and just left the other ones here to die of starvation and no water. And these poor animals, if you turn around, this is what these poor animals had to stare at while they were dying of thirst.
The Colorado River was right there, but they couldn't get to it. So we really don't know why they left the horses here. There's got to be some kind of a reason they would do that. I have no idea why they would do that, but
Nope.
why would they just leave horses there?
To die. Exactly. No good reason at all. Maybe just lazy. I don't know. Just to move some of those logs to let them run
I think
wild again.
there was probably a reason.
I don't know.